Welcome back to Imdadi RMS video tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to add items into your restaurant management system. To create the items, we have to add some mandatory informations, which is like the text type, the ingredients. So to create the ingredients, we have to create the ingredient category first, then ingredient units, and then ingredients. So we will go step by step. For example, we are adding a demo ingredient category over here. Then after that, we will create the ingredient unit, which is like, you can say, the pieces. Value we will set to 1, which means whenever the item will be sold, the one ingredient will be minus from this category, from this ingredient category. So let us say we will name it as a pieces over here and submit. Then we will create the ingredient, like we will add the burger over here as an ingredient, and the alert quantity, like for example, we will set to 10. If in the quantity 10 item left, then it will give us an alert as a stock. Then we will select the percentage, VAT percentage, for example 15. The category we will select from here, like for example we have created a category as a demo. The unit will be the pieces, and the text method will be inclusive. This text method is basically on the purchase ingredient. Now the purchase price, for example, for the bun is 2 SAR. It will show the VAT inclusive value over here directly for the VAT and for the total amount, which is mean that VAT inclusive applied on this ingredient. We will submit it. Then we will go to the item section to create the item. In last, we will add one item as a burger. For example, we will name it as a beef burger in Arabic and English both. The sale price will be, for example, 25 SAR. The category we will select, for example, we are selecting the category the pizza for this, and the subcategory is the large pizza for us. The ingredient we are selecting the burger by default, and the consumption for one item is the one burger, for example. As you can see, the sale price automatically fills the hunger station and Jahez, To You, Masrool, Ninja, whatever the delivery companies we will add over here, all the prices will be set automatically as a sale price, but we can change it whatever we want based on our requirement. Then we will select the text method for this item, which is VAT 15% inclusive. We will set the vendor is no, the QT print is must required. All the mandatory selections will be set automatically. Then you just need to choose the picture of the product, and then we will submit. This way we will create the one item as a demo. Now we will go to the POS screen. Inside, before that, in the last video we have disabled our main category for the pizza for the POS screen, so we will enable it from the POS screen again. We will go back to the POS screen. See, the pizza category is enabled now for the cashier to sell. We will go to the pizza category, large pizza. As you can see, the beef burger is available now as a VAT inclusive.